Sometimes it can feel as if life makes no sense. You work so hard and make so many sacrifices, yet still you can't see any progress. At nights when you are all alone and you look at the state of your life, it can get so depressing. I am not here to tell you that things are gonna change tomorrow, but the fact that you're still alive means that you still have an opportunity to create the life that you want. It could be that you may have to change things up a bit. All that you have been doing so far has only gotten you to this place of unhappiness, unfulfillment, and depression. You may have tried things in the past that didn't work out, and these things may have greatly affected your confidence, compounded by the fact that you have people around you, your friends, your family, who may not even believe in you or believe in your ideas. One thing that stops us the most is the fear of embarrassment. What if it doesn't work out? How will people view me? Or it could be that you don't want your friends or family to find out that you're doing this because you know that they won't approve it. Or it could simply be that you just don't know where to start. But let me tell you this, you have what it takes to change your situation. The outcome of your life is completely your responsibility, and you should never allow anyone nor anything to stop you from getting to that place that you want to be in life.